Drug discovery is a complex and time-consuming process, often taking over a decade and costing billions. Fortunately, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing this field. AI analyzes vast amounts of data to identify patterns, accelerating the drug discovery process. Traditionally, drug discovery relied on trial and error, testing thousands of molecules. Machine learning algorithms now analyze massive datasets to identify potential drug targets and predict their effectiveness. This transforms drug discovery into a more targeted and efficient process. AI is enabling the development of new classes of drugs by analyzing complex biological pathways. From cancer to Alzheimer's, AI is providing new hope for patients. The convergence of AI and drug discovery is ushering in a new era of medicine. Expect a paradigm shift in healthcare with innovative treatments emerging rapidly.
Imagine designing a drug with the precision of an architect crafting a skyscraper. That's the promise of AI-powered drug design. AI algorithms design molecules with specific properties, targeting particular proteins or enzymes. Traditional drug design relied on chemical intuition and trial and error. AI changes that by predicting how different molecules will behave. This allows scientists to design drugs with high confidence, reducing time and cost. It also opens up the possibility of designing drugs for previously undruggable diseases. AI-powered drug design is transforming the field.
Testing potential drugs was once laborious and time-consuming. Enter in silico drug screening, leveraging computers to simulate drug interactions. Scientists can now create virtual models, screening thousands of compounds quickly. This process is faster, cheaper, and allows exploration of a wider range of compounds. In silico, screening increases the chances of finding novel and effective drugs. It accelerates the search for new treatments, identifying promising candidates rapidly. This is crucial for diseases lacking effective treatments. In silico, drug screening is a game changer for drug discovery.